Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Chats. I am Emma.
Hi, Emma, and hello to all our amazing listeners. I am Alex. Welcome back.
Today is a very exciting day. It is day 2 of our 30-day English Confidence Challenge.
Yes, if you are listening to this, congratulations. You came back for day 2. That is the secret to learning English. You must practice every single day.
Exactly. Building a habit is the most important part of this challenge. We are so proud of you for being here today.
How are you feeling today, Emma? Did you have a good morning?
I had a wonderful morning. You know I am an early bird. I woke up early, drank my coffee, and I am ready for our chat. How are you, Alex?
I am doing great. I am ready to teach some new, simple English words today. So, what is our topic for day 2?
Yesterday, on day 1, we learned how to introduce ourselves. We learned how to say our name and our country.
Yes. My name is Alex, and I am from Canada.
Great! And today, we are going to talk about the next big question people ask. We are going to talk about jobs and studies.
Ah, yes. When you meet someone new, they always ask, "What do you do?"
Yeah, what do you do? It is a short question, but it is very important. It means, what is your job? Or, are you a student?
Okay.
Let's practice.
Emma, what do you do?
I am a graphic designer.
A graphic designer. What does a graphic designer do?
Good question. I work on a computer. I use my mouse and keyboard to draw beautiful pictures. I make logos for companies. I work in an office.
That is a very creative job. Do you like your job?
Yes, I love my job. It is very interesting. Now, let me ask you. Alex, what do you do?
I am an English teacher.
That is a wonderful job. Where do you work?
I work in a school. I stand in a classroom, I write on the whiteboard, and I help my students learn English.
Do you like your job, Alex?
Yes, I love my job very much. My students are fantastic, and I love talking to people.
Oh, that's wonderful. So, listeners, to answer the question, you say, I am a, and then your job.
Yes. For example, I am a doctor. Or I am a taxi driver. Or I am a chef.
Alex, what if our listener does not have a job right now? What if they go to school?
Yeah, that is very common. If you go to school, you can say, I am a student.
Yes, I am a student. You can also say what you study. For example, I study business, or I study art.
Where do you study? You can say, I study at university. Or, I study at a language school. Or, I study at high school.
Okay, great. Now, let's give our listeners some more examples of common jobs. Alex, what are some other jobs?
Well, maybe you work in a store. You can say, I am a shop assistant.
And maybe you work in a hospital. You can say, I am a nurse, or I am a doctor.
And maybe you build houses. You can say, I am a builder, or I am an engineer.
Yes, Or maybe you work at home. You take care of your family and your house. You can say, I am a homemaker. That is a very important job too.
Yes, it is. There are so many different jobs in the world.
Yes. Okay, when we talk about where you work, we use the words I work in a.
Exactly. I am a teacher. I work in a school.
I am a graphic designer. I work in an office.
I am a chef. I work in a restaurant.
I am a nurse. I work in a hospital.
See? It is very simple. First, say what you are. Second, say where you work.
Exactly. Okay, let's put the whole conversation together. Imagine we are meeting for the first time at a party.
Okay, let's act it out. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex. My name is Emma.
Where are you from, Emma?
I am from the United States. And you?
I am from Canada. So, Emma, what do you do?
I am a graphic designer. I work in an office. What about you, Alex? What do you do?
I am an English teacher. I work in a school.
Do you like your job?
Yeah, I really like my job.
Wonderful. That was perfect. A very natural, simple English conversation.
Yes, if you can say these sentences, you can talk to anyone in English. You can make new friends easily.
Remember, do not worry about big, difficult words. Simple English is the best English. Just be friendly and smile.
Now it is time for our vocabulary highlight. We will explain 2 useful words from our chat today.
The first word is interesting. I-N-T-E-R-E-S-T-I-N-G. Interesting.
Interesting means something is fun to learn about. It is the opposite of boring. Emma said her job is interesting.
Yes. If you like reading a book, you can say, this book is interesting.
The second word is colleague. C-O-L-L-E-A-G-U-E. Colleague.
A colleague is a person you work with at your job. They are your team members.
For example, I eat lunch with my colleagues. Or, my colleagues are very friendly.
Yeah, in Alex's school, the other teachers are Alex's colleagues.
Yes, my colleagues are nice people. Okay, everyone, it is time for our shadowing practice. This is the best way to improve your speaking confidence.
Yeah, absolutely. We will say a simple sentence about jobs and studies, then we will pause.
During the pause, you must speak out loud. Repeat the sentence. Copy our rhythm and our voice. Are you ready? Let's practice.
Sentence number 1. What do you do?
Sentence number 2. I am a student.
Sentence number 3. I study at university.
Sentence number 4. I am a teacher and I work in a school.
Sentence number 5. I work in an office with my colleagues.
Sentence number 6. I really love my job because it is interesting.
Fantastic job! Your English speaking is getting better and better.
Yes, it is. Be proud of yourself. You are doing great.
Now it is time for our question of the day. This is your action step for day 2.
Yes, we want to know about you. Yesterday, we learned your name. Today, we want to know about your daily life.
The question is, what do you do?
Yes, go to the comments right now and write your answer. Are you a student? Do you have a job?
Please write, I am a, and tell us your job. If you want, you can also write, I work in a.
For example, I am a student. I study business. Or, I am a nurse. I work in a hospital.
And remember the most important part. Type day 2 completed at the end of your comment.
Yes, keep your streak going. You can do it. We love reading your comments and seeing your progress.
Thank you so much for joining us for day 2 of the 30-day English Confidence Challenge.
If you liked today's episode, please make sure you are subscribed to Daily English Chats.
And please hit the like button. It really helps our channel grow so we can help more students like you.
We will be back tomorrow for day 3. Have a fantastic day at work or at school.
Stay confident and keep speaking English. Goodbye, Alex.
Goodbye, Emma. Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow.